I'm Steffi Pie, and I got things to say today. We're going back into the Nightingale palette. I'm going to do the gray look that is in that palette. I did the brown look last time. We're going to do the gray look this time. I got my little gray wrap dress on. We're going to do some sexy looks. If you want to see that, please just keep on watching. Okay guys, are y'all ready to get back into this Nightingale palette? Look at this thing. I have been wearing this every day since I got it in my BoxyCharm. I told you this in the last one that I did. I used this brown colors. It was absolutely stunning. And I'm going to go back into this taupe actually for the first color that I'm going to put on my lid. It is actually, I enjoy this color as a transition color. So let's get started. I'm going to get started on this and make it a quick look. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Laying that down as our first transition color. Then we're going to start with a gray in the crease, okay? All right. Let's get a smaller brush. And I'm going to go into this one right here, right next to it. It is called Dark Side. And if that is not small enough, let me see. I'm going to try it though. Let me see. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay. We're going to do this and we're going to put it in the crease. Yes. We're just defining our eyes, okay? Don't worry about it being really dark because we're going to blend it out, okay? Okay, we're going to do that on the same way on the other eye. Do that same triangle, that V on the other eye. Just bring it into the center. I'm going to go back with that other brush. I'm just going to blend that out, okay? Yeah, there we go. That looks awesome. Oh my gosh. Go back into hide and seek. Making this a beautiful gray smoky eye. Do the same thing on the other eye. Use hide and seek to help me blend it out. See what we're doing here? Blend those edges. Back and forth. Windshield wiper motions. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Woo! Brings out our eyes. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love that. Oh gosh. It's so pretty. Alright, I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to put that under my eyes as well. I'm going to take that same color right there. I'm going to put that under my eyes, okay? And you may have to clean it up just a little bit, and that's okay. Alright, the next thing I want to do, I'm going to take a setting spray and I'm going to take a flat shader brush, okay? And I'm going to take this color right here. It's called Silver Spoon. You see it? I'm going to take this setting spray and I'm going to wet my brush, okay? Okay. I'm going to go into Silver Spoon. It is a gray color, but it's got some shine to it. I'm going to show you what we're going to do to it. We're going to go into it. We're going to make it really wet. We're going to shine it up and place this on the lid, okay? We are really, really going to make this a really beautiful, smoky, metallic eye. That is gorgeous, you guys. Yeah, I like that. It's so pretty, man. I like it. Clean up any mistakes, you know. We go back and we fix anything. I go back with my, you know, anything I don't like. And what I'm going to do next, and I'm going to this Break Free. It's right there. Just going to get a little brush. It's a little liner brush. And I like the way that this stuff looks right here on the edge of the eye. I think I'll use my finger. That works a little bit better. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, I like that. That looks pretty cool. I want it to be shiny, but dark and grungy at the same time. I think that looks pretty darn cool. And then I'm going to take a liner brush as well. This dark little liner brush right here. I'm going to take the darkest gray shade right there. It's called After Midnight. And I'm going to make liner on my eyes. And press it into the lash line. Just get a little bit more definition. What do you guys think? Is that cool or what? Do you like my look? Oh, I love this gray look. This is a beautiful palette. It's so versatile. I mean, you can just throw a couple of colors on here, put a little bit of this in the inner corner, and go to town, man. I absolutely love this palette. This is an everyday palette. This is a dress-up palette. You can do anything with it. BoxyCharm's out doing their sales here lately. I absolutely love them. The next thing I want to do for you guys is try and learn to use this roller thing. I don't know. It's a roller liner. I have no idea how to use it. I make it on camera and try to use that. This may be a fail. I don't know. Do you guys want to see me do that? Let me know in the comments below. I don't know. Anyway, subscribe to me on Instagram. We're blowing up over there. We're enjoying ourselves. So anyway, let me know what you guys want to see. I'm enjoying making these videos for you. I love you guys. Thanks for joining me here. If you are enjoying this, give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. And remember, I love you guys. And my God shall supply all my needs according to his riches and glory by Christ Jesus. Have a blessed day. Bye.